Hi, welcome to my another tutorial on TechieCell. And today I'm going to show you on how do you clean your cache from Google Chrome and Firefox browser. First I'm going to show you on Google Chrome. So to delete cache from Google Chrome, you have to click on the right hand corner of your Chrome browser, and then go to the more tools option, and then click on clear browsing data. So when you will be clicking on clear browsing data, you will be showing these three options like browsing history, cookies and other site data, and then cached images and files. If you want to delete both of them, like if you want to delete the browse three of them, then you can keep tick on these three. I just want to delete the cached option, so I'm going to uncheck these two, just keeping check on this one. so uh, and then if you want after checking this one, you have to click on clear data option. Your cache has been deleted from Google Chrome browser. So now I'm going to show you on Firefox, like how would you clean your cache from Firefox. so um, you have to click on the hamburger menu, and then you have to go to the library option. Here's the library option, and then go to the history option, and then click on clear recent history. These thing like you can delete from your browser. If you want to click all of them, you can check all of them. You can check all of them, and then you can also like have a option here, like you can delete from last 1 hour, last 2 hours, last 4 hours. So I want to delete from full days, so I want to that's why I deleted. I'm selected like today option. So I just want to delete the cache option, so I'm going to uncheck rest of them. So after clicking on cache option, you just have to click on OK. So now your cache from Firefox browser has been deleted. Thank you guys, thank you for watching, and give a thumbs up if you like my video. And